Let's now understand how to connect to Amazon EC2 instances. Secure Shell is a protocol for securely connecting to a virtual private server. SSH works by creating a private key that matches the remote server to an authorized user. Using that key pair which we have already downloaded in the earlier hands-on .pem file, you can connect to your instance using a browser-based SSH terminal. Not only browser-based SSH terminal, let's look into different ways of connecting to Amazon EC2 instances. In Mac and Linux, there are two ways of SSHing, that is using command line utility and EC2 Instance Connect. In Windows less than version 10, you can use PuTTY and EC2 Instance Connect, whereas in Windows version greater than 10 or equal to 10, you can use all the three methods. Now let's look at this method one by one. PuTTY. Now open your browser, type in PuTTY download. Click on the first link. Click under download PuTTY. Now let's select 64-bit. So I'll download it. Select on the link. Just wait until it's installed. Just click on it once it's complete. Preparing to install. Just wait for a few seconds. Click on next. Next. And click install. Wait until the installation is complete. After the installation is complete, uncheck the view file and click on finish. Now in the search bar, search for PuTTY and in the folder, click on PuTTY key generator. Click on load. Select the folder where your .pem file is. So here click on all files. You can see your .pem file open. Click on OK and click save private key. Click on yes. So let's save our private key as ec2-demo.ppk. Click on save. Remember to save the extension with .ppk. Now close it. Again go to the search bar. Now open the PuTTY file. In the host name, copy and paste your IP address. So let me just copy my IP address and paste it in the host name. After pasting your IP address, before the IP address, add ec2-user@. Okay. So in the saved sessions, type in the name of your session. I will type EC2 demo. Click on save. Now in the left side, go to SSH. Click on the plus sign. Click on auth. Browse your file. Select your .ppk file which you have saved earlier. Click on open. Now go back to your session. Click on save again. Now click on open. Accept the terms and now you can see you have SSH'd into your EC2 instance. Now I'll just check it. So when I type who am I can see my EC2 user. Now let's terminate the session. After this method, now let's understand EC2 Instance Connect. This is another way and it is applicable to Mac, Windows and Linux. In the management console, select your instance, click on connect. In the username, type in EC2-user. Now click on Connect. So as you can see, you have SSH successfully. So now let's type in who am I and click enter. This means you have connected successfully using the EC2 Instance Connect. These are a few steps to follow in Linux and Mac. So open your terminal and continue with the following steps here.